If you're using Paid Membership Pro for your memberships, then you must know that they have a lot of add-ons, but most of them are paid. Like add-ons which are necessary to complete the project, they are paid. So recently I was working with a project and I needed to redirect the users once they sign up for one of my course. So I tried to research, and this was the blog from Paid Membership Pro. Redirect new members to a specific page the first time they log in. I couldn't see the information because I was using the free plan. So what I did, I just made a quick query that will help your users which sign up for your course, and you want them to see a specific page or redirect them to a specific page. So this is the query. This is a very simple function, and I'm using the filter that was given by the Paid Membership Pro. But this query might help you to achieve what you want. So what you need to do, you just need to replace this URL with your actual URL. This home URL is your website's URL, just like this one. So, and after that, slash or courses is my destination where I want the user to go. So what you need to do, you just need to replace this with your own. So where you have to paste this code, you can go to Appearance Theme File Editor and Functions.php. Go to very bottom and you can paste this code, and this will help you to achieve what you want free of cost. No need to pay anything. Thank you so much.